So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the lab that is use charts in Google Sheets. So a lot of you guys were facing issue and here is a new tutorial for it. So first of all click on Start Lab. Now you have to open Google Drive in incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and here is the way how to enable check my progress. You can check the description for it. So now basically here you have to enable one setting, and after that you will get full score without any issue. Just follow the way I am doing and you will surely get the full score in this lab. So finally this part has been done. If you need username and password, check the lab for it. Now click on this settings icon, then click on settings. Now scroll down a bit and you have to enable this. First of all disable this pop-up, and on upload section you have to click on convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. This is very crucial. It will be not enabled default, so you have to click on this checkbox. It will enable it. So now here you have to upload two files. The files I have shared on my GitHub repo. So as you can see, this is the one file and second file. You have to download it to your local system and then you have to upload it on the Google Drive. So don't worry, I will tell you how you can download and upload. This is very basic video. So here when you click on file upload, you have to upload the file which you have just now downloaded. So how to download the file from GitHub? Let me show you. You have to just click on this icon. It will download the file to your local system. Again click on this button. It will download the file to your local system. Now as you can see, two files are available. Just select all and click on open. Now it will upload both the files. If you want to view the file, you can click on my drive. Now first of all click on this sheet. Basically we have to open the sheet. Now finally the sheet is ready. First of all click on this unwanted pop-up and disable it. Now wait for a second. Again click on cross mark. Now here you have to click on this e-sheet row. Then here from insert click on chart. So by default pie chart will be opened. Here you have to change it to, wait a minute, combo chart. So now click on this. It will update the chart to combo chart. Now click on this sheet. Here you have to click over here and add the column, and from here you have to just type M3 in capital and then hit enter. So basically it will select all the cells, and here we have to insert another chart. So once you click on chart, now here from scatter chart we have to change it to column chart. So as you can see, these modifications we have made. Let me show you if you are facing issue how we will get score. When you click on check my progress, you get the score for task number 1. Let me show you for task number 2 too. And then for task number 3 also you will get the score without any issue. So try to hit check my progress. Now for fourth task we have to upload the sheet, I mean the slide which we have just now uploaded. So let me show you. Go to drive, open this. Now once it's opened, it will be marked as done. But still so many of you guys were complaining. If you face issue, first of all click on check my progress, you'll get the score. And if you face an issue, you have to just do one thing. Click on this share button, close this, click on share button, and from here you have to just click on Qwiklabs. Same with the sheet, click on share and again click on Qwiklabs. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. So first of all, if you like the way and got full score, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and check the playlist for other skill badges and trivia games.